up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, one of my friends reached out to me, hey guys, about doing a makeup look with colors such as these. So she was saying more of like the orange tones and like yellow and stuff like that. So I don't have the exact palette that she had, but I do have this Morphe James Charles palette with some crazy ass colors in it. So I think we can make this work. Okay, so first, I already did my face in my previous TikTok video product BS that you might need or not. I don't know, you gotta watch to find out. So, I've got some clean makeup brushes. So I'm basically gonna stay with like these four, I think. Maybe the yellow. We'll see what happens. Call it my mac and cheese color. Oh, cause your bitch loves mac and cheese. Alright, so to begin, I've already primed my eyes. And now I'm gonna take that mac and cheese color. Who knows what it's called? Maybe there's names. I don't really know. But this one. And a big fluffy brush. And we're just gonna go on top of the lid. It's definitely more mac and cheese. Think of Kraft box mac and cheese. Awesome, so after that, I am gonna put a little bit of yellow on it. Again, using that. And we're gonna put some yellow on top of that in the crease. Alright, so now, we use that. So that's with a big fluffy brush because those colors can be easy to blend and they're not too harsh. So, after we have on that, I'm gonna check on my dog. After we have on those colors, we're gonna take a littler brush. This one is gonna be the MAC 217. You see it on my face? There we go. And then we're gonna go in with this color right there. Can you see it? Yeah. Cool. So I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush because I want the color placement to be more precise. Ooh, I just dipped my hand in it. Here we go. Bottom corner. Same thing on the other side. The key with these colors too is to not pick up too much on your brush. Crazy. Okay. So after that, blended. We're gonna do something different today. So then I'm gonna grab a smaller, more precise brush again. And I'm gonna go in with this kind of, I think it's like a corally orange. Sorry for going like this, that. And we're gonna hit the center of my eye. Not the center, the front of my eyes. You just kind of go, just go up your eye socket with this brush. And then go back in with the original brush you put it on with, just a little fluffy brush, and just kind of smooth that over. So that's all I'm gonna do for that. Actually, I think I might add a little bit more. We're gonna take this color. I feel like it kind of looks like a hibiscus color. I don't know. I'm gonna take that color, just a little bit on your brush, and just kind of pop it down in the corner. And the inner corner. Cool. And then blend it out again. So after we do that, we're going to actually grab a gold. So actually I'm gonna grab an older Morphe palette. This is Happy Hour 15H. And I'm gonna just be using this Trash Talk. But before we do that, we're gonna take a little bit of our concealer. Take like a lighter concealer. I'm gonna use my IT Cosmetics in Light Tan. Put a little bit of product on your hand, and then a little brush like this. And I'm gonna use my mirror. And we're just gonna place this in the center of our eye. And after you place that, take like another fluffy brush and just kind of like pat it down. But don't swish it, just kind of pat it in place. And then you're gonna kind of like build on it again. And just kind of touch up. And then, now it is time to grab our color. So I'm going to be taking just our little tapered brush again with that Trash Talk color. And I might be mixing it with a little bit of these colors too. This Hot Spot color, I like that color. It's like a champagne-y. And you just want to concentrate this in the area where you put the concealer. Sorry, I did not finish my sentence. And so now that you've placed that, you want to go back in with your pink brush again. And we're just going to kind of blend everything together. Just kind of flick it towards the center. And now, if you need to touch up any of the colors, go ahead and do so. So I'm going to add a little bit of that mac and cheese color to the top of this eye. And then we're going to do the same thing with the bottom of your eyes. So I'm just going to take a little brush like this. And I'm going to go in more with the pink colors too. I think I'm going to call this my sunflower color because I get sunflower vibes from this. And who doesn't like sunflowers? Alright everybody, so after we add that, I'm going to take first my white eyeliner, pop that in my waterline. And again, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D cake pencil. Ow, motherfuck. Try not to stab yourself every time you freaking do it. Okay, then after you add that, then go in with your favorite highlighter. So everyone already knows what I'm going to be using. Sarcophagus. And underneath the eyebrow. So spray your brush with the setting spray. I'm going to be using Fix Plus Pink. Or Sarcophagus. I'm going kind of like the front. Don't go up with it though, because I made that mistake and I don't really like the way that looks. Just keep it down here. And then maybe put a splash just. And then once again, we're blending. And I'm going to add a little bit more of that hibiscus color, I think. And a little bit of the mac and cheese color too. Sarcophagus on my cheeks. Pop on some lips. Favorite lip combo. Makeup Talk, or no, this is one of my favorites. Morphe Brush Makeup Talk. Celebrity Skin. Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick Cosmetics. I want to keep everything very bright in this look. And then my last is going to be the Becca Cosmetics. And now I am going to touch up my liner. And make any last minute adjustments, last minute blending. Alright, and then I will curl my lashes and put some lashes on and I'll be right back. Don't forget to add your Sarcophagus highlighter underneath the eyebrow. Alright, adding lashes, adding mascara. Boom! Alright, so that's the end of the tutorial. Put some lashes on, added some underneath, some bottom mascara. And yeah, so this look is pretty fun. It's definitely not like a, you know, staying home look, but it is in quarantine. So yeah, this one I would say for the fair, but there's no fair this year. R.I.P. But yeah, this is definitely a summery look. Bryce, I hope you like it.